A lot of you use WhatsApp and Instagram to market your product. What if I tell you you can set up a shop with a Facebook page and make more money? The advantages of a Facebook page over WhatsApp or Instagram is that once you gather more followers, each post you upload makes you money automatically over time. I'm talking years. And Facebook is more easier to gather followers than Instagram, right? What's going on, guys? Segibi is here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook page, and I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to create and set up your business logo and Facebook cover for free using the tool called Canva. Interesting, right? Now let's get into the video, and we'll post videos like this every week, so subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on your notification bell. As you can see, this is a dashboard of my Facebook. So you go to this end and you go to create page. Now this is the page dashboard. So this is how it looks like when you open your page at first. So from here you start filling up your details. You see at the left hand side you see create page. It contains the page name, the categories, the bio. You fill in your details. When you are doing this, just take your time so that you won't mistake, especially in the page name, although you can change it later if you want to. The category required, you can search for the category you want to, and you can only add 3 to that place. Like you see, I added 3. So just on the bio, you add what you want to add, and then you're done with that. So the next thing you want to know is we'll have to set a DP and cover photo. Just in case you're wondering, I'll be using Canva for all my logos and my pictures, and that is what I normally do. So if you have the money, if it's in your budget, you can just give it to somebody on Fiverr. I'll actually keep the link in the description below. A professional on Fiverr to do the design for you and everything. But if you're a low budget starter, like the way I do, like the way I'm starting now, you can do it on Canva. I'll still leave the description below, so you can go on Canva and just do your professional looking. It doesn't have to be much more, just something basic. So I'll show you here. So we're going into it now, and I will show you everything how I'm doing here, and I will leave the link in the description below. If you want to use this one, you get a 30-day free trial to Canva, meaning you can click on their pro for 30 days before you've been charged, and if you don't like it, you can opt out within that 30 days. Just take your time, do it to your own taste. There's no pressure here. Just make sure you increase it and make sure it's pleasing to your own eyes. Anything basic, I would leave the description link and below of this one I'm doing in case you want to use it or you want to just edit a lot. But you will see there are samples template at the left hand side. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. See? And it didn't even take us how many minutes and we are done with this one. Now, after filling your contacts, you see that they're asking you to upload your DP and your cover photo. Now, we've actually done our logo. What we're going to do now is the cover photo. If you see here on Canva, you will see Facebook cover. That is the one you will use on Canva. Then move over to the left, you will see templates. Just go up and search for the template you want. Like um in my page, I want to be marketing fashion. So or I'll just write Facebook cover, Facebook covers, yes, and search for Facebook cover. Or you can just search for what you want, like maybe you wanted to say clothings and everything. You just click on the clothing there, or anything you want to do, just click on there. Canva has a lot of things. If you see the ones that are marked stars, that are crowned, they are the ones that you can't use unless you use the premium or you buy it with $1 or two or so. But it's better if you just subscribe to the premium. And if you want to subscribe to the premium to get free 30-day pro, just click on the link description below and you get free 30 days. If you see the image, you see there's a Canva, there's a watermark there. Canva, do not use a cover with a watermark. It will really ruin your page. Do not use it. So if you don't have to subscribe for Canva, there's another way you can do this. You go to pixel.com and you click it. Here you can get free royalty videos. Then you search for clothing, what you're looking for. Voila, you see there are a lot of clothing pictures here. You do not need to even sign into Pixel or anything. Just mouse over anyone you like and just click on the download icon there. And guys, always remember to rename your work, your Canva work. Always remember to rename it. Very important so that everything will not be scattered in your download section. I'm actually using Chrome browser, so anything I download goes straight to download folder. But if you're using Brave browser, for example, it will ask you to click on the site you want to download it. So what you do is, you see, I've actually exchanged that picture with the other one that was paid for, the other one that is premium. So you just pick the picture, you upload it here on Canva, and you pick it, and you fix it in. Now you see I'm trying to upload my logo in this place, but my logo is rectangle and I have not been able. I'm trying to fix it. And if you are using Canva Pro, at the left hand side you will see background remover. You just remove the background and the blue outer part will be gone. But since we are not using Canva Pro, well, there's a trick I'm going to show you here now. What you do is you go to your browser, you go to remove.bg. It opens, and what you do is you upload the image inside. See, the background is removed. Now you upload it back to Canva. Now you have your full round logo. Now under this place, if you have your location, you can actually just put your location there. But if you don't have your location, all you have to do is you just go to your WhatsApp, you copy your WhatsApp link that you want to use, copy the WhatsApp link and you put the WhatsApp link there. So anybody that sees it and click on it, it's very important that when they see your cover page, they can use it to reach you. Your address there is very important. So once you click on your WhatsApp link, you paste the WhatsApp link there. Have any questions or any comment, please leave it in the description box below. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. When you're done with your cover post, instead of working on Facebook, you see I've gone to Meta site. So it's easy, just go to Meta site and log in the account, the page, log in with the page that you've created. But once you click on Meta site, it's going to put you directly at the. Now for the final step is posting your videos or your pictures, and it's really easy on this Meta site. And the thing is, you can even do it, you post it here and you connect your Instagram, you connect your Instagram to put here on Instagram. So that's all I've got. If you stay till the end of this video, it really meant a lot to me and I want to say thank you. Please subscribe for more videos like this on how to make money online. I'll see you in my next video.